It may take for a while.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. All right.
So you're the recording English?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Okay,
All right.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Yeah. All right.
First
Go.
thing first, I want to say about what is the topic?
What do you think about a lockdown in Aceh exactly? You know what? That's because a lot of people cannot go outside and then looking for a job and then looking for money.
But how effective? Maybe like how is the effectivity of the lockdown in Banda Aceh, right? Okay, so let me just clear things up. So it's kind of not very different from other region like in Java, like in Jakarta. So you just don't let the outsider to come into your district, into your county, something like that. So it doesn't have any like different things, like major difference apart from the other places. Well, for the effectivity, I think it's kind of effective. If I could say until now, yeah, but it's not so perfect. You know, like there's nothing perfect here, like in the world. Nothing is 100% perfect. Like there's still a chance for the outsiders to bring the virus into the people who resides there. I think that's all for me.
Right. So what do you think about, block the road of single village nowadays? Not only in Aceh but also, several districts in Indonesia like Sumatra, West Java, block the village and block the road. Outsider doesn't enter, but insider never get outside. What do you think about that?
It's kind of like the quarantine things.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it should be it's kind of like it's good actually.
That's good.
But it's kind of like too extreme for now. If I could just say now, it's kind of too extreme. So it's a complete blockage between one village to another, right? So the wrong thing.
So do you agree about that? Block the village, outsider couldn't come that village and then have the, how to say,
I should agree on
spread
this
by,
thing. Yeah, I don't think I should agree with this thing.
Yeah.
Because it will gonna help the economy. It is gonna make the economy slow because the mobilization is stopped.
I got that.
Okay.
So do you agree about that?
Not at all.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that. So, do you believe nowadays since coronavirus 2019 at a time almost 7 months ago, do you agree about Indonesian has been decreased about economic or broke about economic nowadays just because coronavirus?
I think they are still working their ass to boost their economy while the economy is like downfall.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah. They're like using every material or every resources as effective as possible, as much as possible, just to save our economy. So I think it's their step. It's like their move to how to say, like to handle this such situation.
So are you a doctor?
Yeah.
So do you believe coronavirus is dangerous or not?
Well, for the mortality rate until today, it's still like 2%, 2 to 10%. But in Indonesia, the mortality rate is almost touches 10%.
Oh, 10%. What about SARS? Is that danger or not?
SARS, well, I haven't found the data yet.
Oh yeah. Alright, thank you, doctor.
Large scale social restrictions in Jakarta and West Java, Banten, Tangerang,
Like the social impact.
and how will this is the decision of Governor Anies, right?
Yeah, I got one.
To implement PSBB in Jakarta.
May I know what exactly PSBB? I have no idea about that at all.
Large scale social restriction.
Oh yeah, I got one. PSBB, yeah.
Oh, PSBB.
Yeah.
I've never heard of it.
It's now everywhere.
Yeah, I got one.
Everywhere in the news, on TV.
Yep.
And
That's cool, right?
Anies said that
Yep.
the biggest impact of PSBB is people lose their job, right?
I got but
Their job.
every single company in Indonesia get fired every employee, right?
Some people are laid off. Some people are how to say
Fired, yeah.
Some people are just being put at home.
Yeah.
But still can make it half salary.
Cutting the salary, yeah.
Yeah.
Salary cutting, you know what, every single month. Sometimes get 3 million every single month, but no, 1 million, right?
What I saw on TV that people cannot online transportation cannot take passengers anymore, and people who go with car cannot sit on the same row. So if they have two passengers, one is the driver and the other must sit at the back. Okay, and people are forced to use face masks. Okay, and maybe a lockdown is very very serious for this matter.
Serious, yeah,
Very
got
serious.
one.
Lockdown
Very
is,
tough, is
the
serious.
most, the last option to take, like Italy now. Italy.
Yep, I got
People
that.
just stay in the apartment. Just go out of the
Yeah, hang out everywhere,
from
get
the second
fishing, you
floor,
know
right,
what?
second floor, third floor. Just other people entertaining. Some people entertain other of their neighbors, right? But I think Indonesia cannot implement lockdown.
Yeah.
Maybe PSBB, yeah. PSBB is in the middle, stand in the middle. As lockdown will, I think our government is not ready for lockdown. Government cannot provide us food, what our need. But PSBB, people can still go out with stricter rules, regulations, and if people disobey the rules, they will be fined and get punishment. And why is Indonesian government afraid to implement lockdown? What do you think?
Yeah, what do you think about that? Give reason about that, exactly.
For my personal reason, actually, because our government haven't prepared yet for these pandemic things.
Yep.
Because more like our administration haven't prepared, like it's kind of like a surprise attack to us. Well, it is actually a surprise attack for all major countries in the world. But you know, our government sucks, man. So for the lockdown, like Mr. Fahmi said,
Yep.
it is actually it's the last option.
Last
The
option.
attempt. No, it's the last effort. So my opinion is that just keep it up.
Keep it
that
up.
way. Just keep it that way.
Yeah.
You don't need to change, like to search for alternative method.
Yeah. One more question. This is the last question.
Okay.
So, do you know how many people was die nowadays about the coronavirus?
I mean, all the casualties in Indonesia.
Yeah, it's only Indonesia, not around the world. No
I never
what?
heard from ED.
Yeah, idea. Yeah, I got that idea.
I got information from them saying that it's actually more than 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah, it's roughly 1,000.
Oh yeah, I got
While
that.
the total of the infected patients are touching above 10,000.
Oh, yeah.
So you know that the government is lying to us, right?
Right. Thank you, doctor.